So for 7c, there seems to be lots going on here. So we can simplify some of this. So first of all, I'm just going to identify all the y transformations. And when I simplify the y transformations, I'm going to combine them all. So basically all transformations could be simplified into expansion, compression, flip, and shift. So in this case here, I'm going to have the negative on the outside. This is going to be plus 5 plus 3 when I expand the brackets. And this is then my transformation. I'm going to vertically flip it. Okay, there's no vertical expansion or compression, and I'm going to shift it plus 8. Now with the x's, all the x's can be, again, we can undo this step by step, or we can just put it into factored form. So for the x, I'm going to do this in green here. So we can have f of x. This becomes, I'm going to factor the 1/3 out. So we end up with 2/3. And then we end up with x plus 9. Okay, so this represents the factored form of that. So when I do my change in x's, I know that it is a horizontal expansion. So it's going to be it's going to be a horizontal expansion by 3/2. And then it's going to be a horizontal shift minus 9. And again, we can see this when we undo this expression. If I just solve for the other x, I'm going to end up with 3/2 times, and then I'm going to go minus 9. So I can see all my transformations done in that way. So for the y's to the x's, I can see that it's a horizontal expansion by 1.5 and a shift left of -9. And for the change in y's, the first step is going to be a vertical flip. It's going to be a vertical flip, and then it's going to be a vertical shift up 8. Okay, so this is reducing this all into just expansion, compression, shift for both x's and y's. And I can show you how to do this step by step.